everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cbse Courses with Riti. Today we are going to discuss few questions from chapter linear equations in two variables R.S. Aggarwal. The first question here is 3x minus 5y is equals to 4 and 2y plus 7 is equals to 9x. In this question we have to find the value of x and y. Before starting with it, the first very step we have to do is to write this equation in its standard form. What is a standard form? That both the variables should be same side. Okay, like it should be like just see, x plus y is equals to, this should be together. Here I can see that 9x is this side, 2y this side. So what I can do is, I can take this 2y that side, right? Now most of you will do what? You will put 9x minus 2y plus 2y equals to minus 7. But why are you switching the both when you can do the one? You can just simply put this 2y that side. Okay, and it will come like 9x minus 2y equals to 7. So let us do first that step. I am going to first solve this equation by elimination method followed by the substitution method. Hence this equation can be written as 9x minus 2y equals to 7. This equation I can write it like the same way. It is already in its standard form. I'll write it 3x minus 5y equals to 4. First thing in elimination method, what we need to do is we have to eliminate any one of the variable. किसी भी एक variable को we have to eliminate it. I can see that if I multiply this equation, let me give the equation name. This is second equation. This is first equation. If I multiply first equation with 3, then x variable can be eliminated, right? Let's do that then. Let me just multiply equation 1 with 3. Now the answer is 3 3 are 9x, 3 5 are 15y, and 3 into 4 is 12. This equation will be written as it is, 9x minus 2y is equals to 7. This much is clear. Let us now eliminate it. Now I am eliminating it, so the sign will change here. It will plus sign, it will be here minus sign. Okay, this much is clear. 9x will cancel by 9x. Plus minus will give me minus. 15 minus 2 is 13y. The sign will be minus, the greater number. Here also I'll get 5, but here I'll have plus positive 5. Why? Because the sign of the greater one is positive. Now I can put this minus 13 this side. Hence it will give me minus 5 by 13. Okay. This is how we got the answer for y. Now what we'll do? We can put the value of y in either of the equations. Let me do that. Let us say I am putting the value of this in this equation. 9x minus 2 minus 15 upon 13 is equals to 7. This is how our equation looks like, right? Now I'll multiply it. Two into 5 gives me 10. So first of all, let me write 9x. 2 5 are 10. Now the sign minus minus plus. So plus 10. Now by 13 equals to 7. This is how the question looks like, right? After that I'll do what? It is in getting added with it. So I'll take the LCM. Here we have to take the LCM. So if I want to make its denominator 13, then I will have to multiply it with 13. Same goes with 9. We have to multiply 9 also with 13. So this will gives us 117. 13 9 ja. So 9 3 ja 27. 9 with 10 11. So 117x plus 10 is equals to. Now after we took the LCM, here this 13 in division will go this side and get multiplied with a 7. 13 will get multiplied with 7 and it will give us 91, right? 7 3 is 21, 7 is 7, 8 9, 91. This is how our equation looks right now. Here this plus will go here. This plus 10 will go here and the sign will change. Hence it will become minus 10. X is equals to 91 minus 10. So it will be like 81 is equals to x by 170. Right? Now we can cancel it with 3. You can do a simple process as well, that if you add the numbers together and if it is divisible by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. Like 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. 9 is divided. 9 gets divided by 3. Same here, 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. So means these two numbers are divisible by 3. If I check, so 81, 27, 117, 3 and 9. This is the number we got. I think it can be further divided by 3 as well. This is 3 9 ja and it is 13 ja. So x is equals to 9 upon 13. Y की value is minus 5 upon 13. X की value है 9 upon 13. We did it with elimination method. Now what we'll do is we'll solve the same question with the substitution method as well, because in the exams they can ask us to do the question either with elimination or substitution. Means it will be not our choice to choose whether which process to be done. They will give you in the question itself, it will be mentioned that you have to do the question with this particular method. In substitution method, we can either substitute the value of x or we can substitute the value of y. Generally, we start with the substitution of value of x only. So here I am going to substitute the value of x. Let us say I am doing it in equation 1 by equation 1 by equation 1 x is equals to, now see here, 3x minus 5y, the equation goes like 3x minus 5y is equals to 4. If I put this minus 5 here, so it will become 4 plus 5y equals to 3x. Hence, this in being multiplication, I will put here, it will come as division. If it is in here, it is in multiplication, then obviously here it will be in division. So, x की value, we got that. Let me just write it like this only up here. You can do that only without this process as well. But if you are not certain about yourself, you can do that also. 4 plus 5y by 3 is the value of x. Now, we are gonna put the value of x in equation number 2. Simply, we'll do that. The second equation is 9x minus 2y equals to 7. By putting the value of x here, it will be like 4 plus 5y upon 3 minus 2y equals to 7. Okay? Now here most of you will do what? We'll just cancel it as it is. You will do that. That 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. But I don't prefer it. I don't know, but I don't feel it very certain to do that process. I'll go with the step as it is. Like 9 4 ja, 36. Plus 9 5 ja, 45y. Minus. Now, here it is 3 here as your denominator. Then here also you have to make the denominator same by taking what? LCM. Here the denominator is 1. So to make it 3, we'll just simply multiply it with 3. That you will do, right? And when you multiply the denominator with 3, you have to the same with the numerator as well. Mean the numerator also needs to be multiplied by 3. And it will give me 6y equals to 7 and this whole by 3. Now this whole is divisible by 3. I am writing it like that. When I put this 3 this side, it will become as multiplication. So without writing this step, I will simply put this 3 that side and make it 7 into 3. That is 21, right? Now let us solve it more. We will rewrite this equation as it is, like 36 plus 45y minus 6y is equals to 21. This is your equation. You can write it like equation 3 if you want to. Now this is my equation. What I'll do it, this y. These are the like terms. We learnt in the previous classes that only like terms can be added or subtracted. Here I am having the like terms. Hence I can add or subtract them. So plus 45 minus 6y. Plus minus minus. Hence it will become 39y. Right? And the sign will be of positive number. Why? Because 45 is the greater number. Is equals to 21. Now this plus 36 will move this side. Right? This plus 36 will move this side and will give me minus 36. I hope this much is clear. We can simply subtract 21 minus 36. It will give us minus 15. Why minus sign? Because the greater number has the sign of minus, like subtraction, right? And here it is 39y. Therefore, y is equals to minus 15 by 39. Now we can solve it. It will be divisible by 3. 3 5 ja. And this is by 13. Hence we got the answer of our value y. Y equals to minus 5 upon 13. Now we will put this value of y in the first equation. Okay? And we will get the value of x as well. Now we got the answer y equals to minus 5 upon 13, right? Now rather than putting the value of y in the equation, what I can do is, I already substituted the value of x here. In equation 3, we marked it. You can continue with your answer writing. We know x equals to 4 plus 5y upon 3 by equation 3. Right? We already know that. This is the value of x we are going to get. What you can do is, you can simply write the value of y up here, right? So it will be like 4 plus 5 upon 3y minus 5 upon 13. This is how it's going to look like. Now 5 into 5 is 25, plus minus minus, so minus 25 upon 13 and 4.3. Right? This is how it's going to look like. This is how our equation looks like. 5 into 5, 25, minus 25. Now, this 3 also got multiplied by 13. This whole 5 upon 3 is multiplied by minus 5 upon 13. That gave me 25 upon 39. Minus 25 upon 39. But the case here is the 4 denominator is 3 as well. So now 4 upon 3 minus 25 upon 39. Now while taking the LCM of 3 and 39, we have to solve it further. Now the question rises that how? If you multiply this 3 here, then why we are having 3 again here? So the simple thing is, I could have written it like this also, 5y upon 3 plus 4 upon 3. But we don't write it and write it as a whole. But here if I took and if I put it like this, if I write it like this will look like this, right? And मैंने तो इस वाले को इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया. This is as it is. So 3 को 39 बनाना होगा. 39 being the LCM, and if I make 39 the LCM, so I have to multiply this 3 with 13. 13 into 3 is equals to 39. And if I multiply this 3 with 13, you have to same do it with the 4 as well. 13 into 4 is 52 and minus 25. This is your final equation looks like. Now no variable is left here, and remember we are finding the value of x here. You can keep on writing it as well, like is equals to x is equals to x if you want to, if you think you can get lost there. Now therefore x is equals to 52 minus 25 gives me 27 upon 39. This is how it looks like. Now we can easily divide it with 3. It goes like 3 into 9, 27. 3 into 13 equals to 9 upon 13 is the value of x. Now if we got the value of x here, so it means that when you are substituting the value, what you can do is, you can just simply write the value of y in this and you can find your answer. If you are doing it like हमें equation में डाल के ही answer लाना है, then also it is not wrong. You can easily do that as well. Like let us say मैं इस equation में डालती हूँ. So 3x minus 5 upon 5 upon 13 is equals to 4. This is how it looks like. Minus into minus will give plus 25. 3x by 13 equals to 4. Now इसको भी 13 बनाना होगा, इसका भी denominator अब तो याद हो गया. So 1 into 13, 13. So we have to multiply 3 also with 13, and it will give me like 39x plus 25 equals to this 13 will now move. जब इसका पूरे का LCM ले लिया हमने 13, then 4 into 13 will do, and it will give me 52. 52 so plus इधर जाके minus हो जाएगा, and then my answer will be s is equals to 27, जो कि इनका डिफरेंस है, और ये 39 अब डिवाइड में चला जाएगा, जो कि सेम आंसर 9 upon 13 देगा. So you can check also कि हमने numbers भी same है. Means if you are doing it with this equation also, it is absolutely right. And if you are doing it with the normal method, You can write a thing, putting value of y in equation 1. This is the thing you should write before doing this process. And if you are doing it like this also, this is right. No issues. Okay. So now we got our answer. I hope you like my video. If you do, so do like, subscribe and share my channel. We are going to solve more RS Aggarwal questions like this, as it was from Cbse 2019. We are going to discuss more equation from linear equation in two variables, where we will find a little difficult kind of question, that is a little difference from our NCERT textbook itself, but still we'll practice them. Till then, do like, subscribe and share my channel. I hope this question is clear with you. Any doubts you can comment me in the comment section below, and please do subscribe.